In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort contacts in Kartra. We'll begin right from your Kartra dashboard so you can follow along without any guesswork. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Contacts. This takes you into the area where all your people live. Next, choose All Contacts. That view ensures you're starting with your complete list, which makes any filtering or sorting more meaningful. At the top, locate the Search Contact field. Even if you don't type anything yet, it's helpful to know where it is because the filter controls sit right beside it. Click the filter icon next to the search bar to open the filtering panel. This is where you'll narrow your audience down to exactly who you want to see. Now click the select drop down to pick the type of filter you'd like to apply. You'll see a variety of options including source, subscribe to list, not subscribe to list, and many more. These criteria let you shape your view based on how contacts entered your system, what they've opted into, or other profile and engagement details. For this walkthrough, choose Subscribe to List. This option focuses your results on people who are on a specific list you manage in Kartra. After selecting that filter type, you'll be prompted to choose the list itself. Open the list selector and pick the exact list you want to focus on. If you use clear naming in your account, this step goes quickly. Once your list is selected, click Add. Kartra will apply that filter right away and refresh your All Contacts view to show only the matching contacts. This makes it simple to review, segment, and take action with confidence, since you're seeing precisely the audience you intended. That's it. Starting at the dashboard, opening Contacts, using the search area's filter icon, selecting Subscribe to List, choosing your list, and clicking Add gives you a clean, targeted contact view in just a few clicks.